For this video, I will show you how to make a code that can tell a user if their number is prime or not. Okay, so the first step is to ask the user which number they wish to know if it is prime or not. So enter a number. Okay. Then in order to make the code ask the user for a variable, we have to assign a variable with the printed out line. So I'm just going to click A for that variable. And then we have to find A. So A is an integer, which just means it's a whole number. And the next step is to check if A is prime or not. And to do that, we will divide A by every number that is less than A and see if the remainder is 0. And if it is 0, this means the number is not prime. Okay? So we're going to do a for loop, which will just divide A by all the numbers less than it in a loop. So our loop counter will be I, and that starting number for I will be 2, because if it's divisible by 1, we already know that. So we're just going to start at 2. And then the loop will run as long as I is less than A. And then I will increment by 1, so we just do I plus plus. Okay. Now we need to write an if statement. So if A's remainder when divided by I is equal to 0, then this means the number is not prime. So this percent it's called modulus, and it will divide A by I, and then it will output the remainder. So the remainder is 0, that means the number is not prime. So we'll print out number is not prime. Okay, and then to stop the loop so it doesn't repeat numbers not prime more than once, we'll just set I to be greater than A. So the loop just stops right there. And now then to print out if the number is prime, we're going to do another if statement. So I'm just going to pick a random value to carry over outside the loop. So I'm just going to make that Q. Okay, so if the number is not prime, that means Q is 1. And then it's initially 0. Okay, so then if Q is equal to 0, then we'll print out that the number is prime. Okay? And a double equal sign means is this number equal to the next number? And then one equal sign means we're setting it equal to that number. Okay? Okay, so this one I just forgot end quote. Okay, enter a number. Let's test out 5. Okay, number is prime. Okay, let's test out 10. Number is not prime. Okay, how about 7,899? Number is not prime. Okay, and that's how you make a code that will tell you if a number is prime or not.